Hello, everybody. Let's start today just singing like we always do. Are you ready? Sing hello to everyone, sing hello to everyone, sing hello to everyone, sing hello. Clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello. And wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello. Now, do you remember last week we talked about giving things to people? Well, today we're going to talk about making things. What did we do just now? We made some singing, we made some clapping. What did we use? Think about that. What do you like making? Do you like making a noise? Bet you do. Do you like making some breakfast? Do you like making a picture? What do we need to make a picture? Well, we need some pens and we need some paper and we need ourselves. We need our hands and our thinking, our ideas, things that we can do. We need lots of things for making, but most of all, we need yourself and other people perhaps to help you or to do it with you. So let's think, what could we make? I've just remembered a very good song. You could sing that song about making a cake. That's fun, and we'll see how many things we need for that. So first of all, we'll need a bowl. You can make a bowl with your arm. And then we need a spoon. You can use a pretending spoon to stir. And then we need to sing. We're going to use our voices. And then we're going to see what we'll put in. Let's make a cake. Let's make a cake. Put in all the things that we like best. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. And what shall we put in next? I wonder what you're thinking. I bet somebody said chocolate. Or maybe strawberries. I'm going to put strawberries in mine. You put what you want in yours. And we will mix in the strawberries. Mix in the strawberries. Stir and stir and stir and stir and let's make a cake. Let's make a cake. Put in all the things that we like best. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. And then we'll eat our cake. We have to cook it first, wouldn't we? We'd need the oven. You need so many things when you're busy making. So let's think about something else that we could make. Something very special. When we talked about giving things to people last week, we could make something that we could give to somebody, or that we could use to decorate our houses and make them look pretty. We might decorate them because we wanted them to look nice. We might decorate them because it was hand-cut. We might decorate them because it was Diwali. We might decorate them because it was Christmas. Let's see. I bet you can't guess what we're going to make. I'll show you the things that we're going to use. We're going to use some flour. Grown-ups, have a look at plain flour. That's important. Plain flour. And we're going to use something called salt. This big red and white thing that looks a bit like a lighthouse. And we're going to use some water in this cup. And where are we going to put them all? What else do we need when we're making something? Well, we need a bowl. Here's a bowl for us. Here's a spoon, something else that we need to stir what we're going to make. We put in some flour, and then we put in some salt. How do we know how much? So let's put in a cup of flour, and let's put in half a cup of salt, and let's put in a cup of water. And then let's stir it all up. Oh dear, I think I've put in too much water, grown-ups. Half a cup of water. Give it a good stir. And grown-ups, you can look in the newsletter to see exactly how to do this. It's all beginning to stick together. Look what it's made. It's a bit like a very special kind of Play-Doh. Oh, look, let me hold it up to the screen so you can see. Squidgy white dough. Looks a bit like pastry, looks a bit like bread, looks a bit like Play-Doh, and it's called, we have made some salt dough. And that's a special kind of dough that you can roll out. What do we need now to make the next thing? We need something to roll with, a rolling pin. To roll out our dough, make it nice and flat and smooth. And then we're going to use a cutter. And if you haven't got a cutter that's a shape, it doesn't matter. You can use the bottom of a cup, a beaker, cut out with that. And you cut out your shape. Because it's going to be something that we hang up like this. Here's the shape that we cut out. You can see there's a little hole there. How did I make that hole? What can we use to make a hole? Use a straw. We could use chopstick. That's what I use. Look, let's put it through. And then you can see. There's the shape. There's the hole. And there's the chopstick making the hole. All ready to do the next bit. And for this bit, you could leave it outside somewhere nice and warm in your house for lots of days, and it would dry really, really hard. A really hard thing ready for decoration. Or you could put it into the oven. You can leave it in the oven for about 2 hours on tiny, tiny, tiny temperature. Really, really low oven. The grown-ups again have a good look and see how long is what you have to do. But what are we going to do with it now? Do you think it maybe looks a little bit better? Could we make it look pretty? Let's try. I know. Let's use our pens. And let's colour the heart that we made in. Let's put a piece of ribbon through the hole. Oh, look. Here it is. That lovely heart, hole in the middle, ready to put your ribbon in. We're ready to hang up. And I made one with a star cutter as well. There you go. Doesn't it look pretty? That one's swinging a little bit. I wonder where we could hang that one. Maybe by the window to catch the light. Who knows where it might go? You might put one in your room. You might wrap all of them up in some pretty paper and give it to somebody for a present. That just makes me think. Do you remember last week, Gabriel had a present. Somebody gave him something. I wonder if it was something they made. Do you think they gave him some food? I wonder. Let's ask him. I think he's here. Gabriel, do you want to come and show us what you had in your parcel? I can hear him coming. Here he is. Oh, look. He's just arrived. Wow, Gabriel, did you bring your present? You did, and you've got it all. Oh, more tricks. He's got it all covered up. He's going to give us a surprise. Here it is. Wrapped his scarf all around it, and he wants us to guess what's inside. Oh, is it something you really like, Gabriel? Yes. Okay. I'll have a try. You have a think too. Shall we ask him? Is it food, Gabriel? No. Is it something to wear? No. I know it's a book, isn't it? You love reading stories. Is it a book? No. What can it be, everybody? What do you like getting inside your parcel? Oh, toy. Is it a toy? Yes. Oh, take the cover off and show us. What do you think it's going to be? Will it be a bus? Will it be a car? Oh, no. The little tiny dog sitting in a basket. Oh, Gabriel, you are so lucky. Let me hold it right up for the children to see. There. Is that your little toy dog? And you pretend it's a real dog. And you give it cuddles. And share your dinner with. Oh, very nice, Gabriel. How lovely. So Gabriel is giving it a big, big cuddle. Thank you for showing this. So I wonder if somebody made that little basket for Gabriel. Might have done. They made it and they gave it to you. So shall we make something else now? Let's make some music. How do we make music? What do we use? Oh yeah, we use our voices to sing, and we use our hands to clap. And maybe if we've got something like bells, or if we've got a shaker. So let's see if we can make some music together. Ready? Let's make some music, some music, some music. Let's make some music on this fine day. Clap your hands this way, clap your hands that way, clap your hands every way on this fine day. So that's making some music. And do you know, before we go, Gabriel keeps telling me there's something he wants to say. Let's see what it says. Yes, I agree, Gabriel. He says making things and giving things to people make him very happy. Oh, good. I'm so pleased. And you don't want to sing the doggy in the window. What would you like us to sing? Oh, something to make us happy. We're going to sing, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. So that will be a lovely way to end our games today, won't it? Are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, sing we are, we are. If you're happy and you know it, sing we are, we are. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, sing we are, we are. That was a happy time. Thanks, Gabriel, for reminding us of that song that we could make together. Now it's time for us to wave goodbye. So when we wave goodbye, we're going to make our hands move, make a wave, and we're going to make a kiss with our lips and with our hands. And we could blow them to one another. Let's do that. Gabriel would like to join us, of course. Ready to wave? Got your hand ready? Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye. Goodbye from Claire and Sarah and Judy in the toy room. And goodbye from Gabriel. See you soon. Bye.